guys, this is Margarita, your girl from Go Dominican Life. Today I'm showing you a beautiful ground floor unit in this amazing complex with this huge pool. Why don't you come on in? So guys, I hope you enjoyed this view. This beautiful unit is the one you have been looking for. It is located in this beautiful complex just outside of the town of Sosua, and it's peaceful living here in the hills of Sosua. So why don't you check out on the link here below to get more information and the price. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with all of your friends. Bye.